Elevate your morning coffee routine with the Bodum Bistro Milk Frother, Barista Edition, a game-changer designed to bring the art of frothing into the heart of your kitchen. No need to venture to a cafe. This sleek and sophisticated frother is your ticket to becoming a professional barista within the comfort of your home. Let's explore why this frother is not just a kitchen appliance but a barista's essential tool. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications, and right here's why you need it. Design that inspires. The Bodum Bistro Milk Frother boasts a sleek and modern design that effortlessly fits into any kitchen aesthetic. Crafted with the user in mind, its intuitive design ensures ease of use for both novice coffee enthusiasts and seasoned baristas. The auto shut-off feature adds an extra layer of convenience, giving you the freedom to multitask while your milk froths to perfection. Versatility unleashed. Say goodbye to the limitations of your coffee repertoire. This frother opens up a world of possibilities with its versatile settings. Whether you crave the comforting warmth of hot froth, the refreshing allure of a cold froth, simply heated milk, or a decadent cup of hot chocolate, the Bodum Bistro Milk Frother delivers. Your coffee preferences are no longer confined, they are celebrated. Works with every milk type. Ditch the limitations, this frother accommodates every milk type. Whether you prefer the creaminess of whole milk, the nuttiness of almond milk, or the silkiness of soy, the Bodum Bistro Milk Frother ensures a consistent froth, allowing you to savor your coffee just the way you like it. Robust construction. Easy maintenance. Built with durability in mind, the frother features a stainless steel construction that ensures longevity. The non-stick interior guarantees easy cleaning after each use. The top portion of the frother is removable and dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. No more scrubbing or soaking. Enjoy your coffee without the hassle. Indulge in barista-level creations. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications of the Bodum Bistro Milk Frother, Barista Edition. Here's why you need it. Unlock the potential to create barista-level coffee from the comfort of your home. Embrace versatility in your coffee creations, and relish the robust construction for long-lasting enjoyment. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.